Look how pretty that is right there, guys. How beautiful is that?
Girls want to talk about pretty. That's pretty. Okay, I got one in my eye.
Look at that, how pretty that is.
Oh man, girls want to talk about pretty. But they gotta come in.
My gosh.
Daddy, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna shoot one of these. I'm gonna shoot one of these bad boys. I'm gonna shoot one of these.
Trey, get on the gun. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy. Get on the gun, son. Spin around. Take the safety off. Take the safety off. Quit moving now. Take the safety off and put it on his head. Kill him.
Hold on, Dad.
It's all you. Shoot the strutter to the left. Shoot the strutter to the left. Shoot him. Got him! You got him! You nailed him!
No!
You nailed him! You smoked him!
We just killed that baby!
You smoked